10 money-making strategies you can start in 2024. Intro. Midnight to 0:45. Background music fades in energetic tone. Hi, everyone. Are you looking to make 2024 the year you unlock new income streams? Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking to ditch the 9 to 5 grind, these 10 practical money-making strategies can help you achieve financial freedom. Stick around till the end because number 10 is a game changer you don't want to miss. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Freelancing 0:45 to 1:30. Cut to visuals of people working remotely on laptops. The first strategy is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are booming with opportunities for writers, graphic designers, coders, and even virtual assistants. Tip 1. Focus on one high-demand skill like SEO, writing, or graphic design. Tip 2. Build a portfolio showcasing your best work. Many freelancers earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month. The key is consistency and top-notch delivery. Segment 2. Content creation 1:30 to 2:15. Show clips of content creators filming videos and posting online. Next up is content creation. You can start a YouTube channel, create TikTok videos, or launch a podcast. With platforms offering monetization options like ad revenue, brand partnerships, and memberships, this is an exciting time to turn your passion into profit. Pro tip: focus on a niche like tech reviews or cooking tutorials to build an audience faster. Even with just 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning through affiliate marketing or sponsorships. Segment 3. Print on demand 2:15 to 3 o'clock. Visuals of customized t-shirts, mugs, and notebooks. Ever thought about designing your own merchandise? Print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring make it easy. You design t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags, and they handle printing and shipping. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify are great for selling your products. This strategy requires little upfront cost and can scale into a full-fledged business. Segment 4. Investing in stocks or ETFs 3 to 3:45. Clip of stock market graphs and apps like Robinhood or eToro. For those who want their money to work for them, consider investing in stocks or ETFs. Apps like Robinhood, eToro, and Acorns are beginner-friendly. Focus on blue-chip stocks or index funds if you're a beginner. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so think of it as planting seeds for future wealth. Segment 5. Online courses or ebooks 3:45 to 4:30. Show someone recording a course or typing on a laptop. Are you an expert in a specific field? Create and sell online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it simple to monetize your expertise. For example, a well-crafted course can generate passive income for years with just one-time effort. Segment 6. Dropshipping 4:30 to 5:15. Visuals of someone managing an online store from their phone. Dropshipping is another powerful way to earn money online. Here's how it works. You set up an online store and partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Focus on trending products and use ads on Facebook or Instagram to drive traffic. While it does require marketing skills, the profit potential is enormous. Segment 7. Real estate 5:15 to 6 o'clock. Show clips of rental properties or Airbnb setups. Have you considered real estate investing? If buying a property seems out of reach, you can start with fractional real estate platforms like Fundrise or REITs. Alternatively, rent out a spare room on Airbnb. This strategy allows you to earn passive income while building long-term equity. Segment 8. Social media management 6 to 6:45. Visuals of someone scheduling posts and analyzing social media analytics. Businesses are always looking for help with their online presence. As a social media manager, you can help them grow their accounts on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Tools like Canva and Hootsuite make it easy to create content and schedule posts. Start by reaching out to local businesses or small brands. Segment 9. Selling digital products 6:45 to 7:30. Showcase digital templates, music tracks, or software tools. Selling digital products like templates, stock photos, or music tracks is a lucrative option. Use platforms like Gumroad or Etsy to sell products. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold repeatedly without additional effort. Segment 10. Affiliate Marketing, 7:30 to 8:30. Show people clicking on affiliate links or creating review videos. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your unique link. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank are popular platforms. Combine affiliate marketing with a blog, YouTube channel, or social media for the best results. It's a low-risk strategy that can lead to high rewards if done right. Outro. 8:30 to 9 o'clock. Upbeat music in the background. There you have it, 10 powerful money-making strategies you can start in 2024. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more tips to build your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.